Hello, dear tutor. I'm Jennifer again. This time I'm going to present to you my task number 1 from Unit 3. It is about how to describe a cultural event. So let's begin. Okay, the Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is a festival held every year before Lent and considered the biggest carnival in the world with 2 million people per day on the streets. The typical Rio Carnival parade is filled with revelers, floats, and adornments from numerous samba schools which are located in Rio. A samba school is composed of a collaboration of local neighbors that want to attend the carnival together, with some kind of regional, geographical, and common background. Africans subsequently influenced the carnival with the introduction of samba music in 1917, which is now considered a traditional Brazilian form of sounds. The carnival began on Friday and ends on Wednesday, but the winners' parade happens on the Saturday after the carnival ends. As the parade is taking place in the Sambadrome and the balls are being held in the Copacabana Palace and beach, many carnival participants are at other locations. Street parades and bandas take place throughout the city of Rio during Carnival, the most famous and largest carnival celebration around the world. I have chosen this cultural event because it is the most similar to the Barranquilla Carnival, the second most important carnival in South America. In addition, I feel so proud to say that this great carnival takes place in my beloved country, Colombia. And I get even more excited by telling you that Quilla is the house of this cheerful event. Obviously, because I'm proudly Colombian, proudly costeña. I'm a lover of African music, of dance. In Brazil, they have samba. Here, we have cumbia, mapalé, champeta, vallenato. Anyway, we also have a great and fantastic carnival. Well, this was all for now. See you in a next task, in a next record. Bye bye.